Hi guys, today's video is going to be very special for you just like our other videos where you learn many useful techniques. In this video, we will show you what to do during a fight situation, especially if someone grabs you or tries to control you like this way. You need to stay defensive and act carefully. If the person in front of you is stronger or bigger than you, moving them directly might be difficult. For example, if you try to move their arm, it may not work because their arm could be locked tightly against your body like this. If you try to move in a simple way, you might notice that you cannot move them at all because their arm is pressed firmly. And if you move toward them in the wrong way, it might even put pressure on your neck. And he can grab your neck with the other hand. So what should you do in this situation? Here we will use two moves at once at the same time. First you can hit on his chest, then his grip will be little loosened and you can breathe. Now immediately quickly attack on his chin or nose. Here when he feel pain, then quickly check my position. Now keep your leg back on his leg and throw him down like this way. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side. Yes, when you grab, step one, here or hit here, like this. And second hit here. Now keep your leg back, third down, punch. Guys, now I'll show you this technique in fast motion, how it works or not in real situation. Yes. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more useful content like this. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends so more people can benefit from these techniques. Thank you.